Rwanda Dairy Development Project is one of the RAB SPIU IFAD-funded projects. The project was launched in 2016 with the goal of reducing poverty through dairy development.
Ibibazo rero umushinga waje gukemura ibibazo navuga ko byari byinshi. Hari ikibazo cya mbere ubworozi bw'inka zitanga umukamo udahagije. Ikindi kibazo cyari gihari n'ibikorwa remezo bitari bihagije. Ikindi hari serivisi z'ubworozi zitanoze, harimo gutera intanga, harimo ubuvuzi bw'amatungo.
The RDDP was conceived to address a multitude of issues. The first issue was that we had less milk-producing cow breeds. There was also inadequate dairy infrastructure. We also had gaps in veterinary services such as artificial insemination and treatment of diseases. As far as veterinary services are concerned, a lot of activities were and are still being carried out. The impact is evident.
Twahuye abajyanama ubuzima bw'amatungo muri Nyagatare rero twahuyemo 72 tubaha n'ibikoresho. Harimo ibikoresho bafasha gutanga imiti y'inzoka, tubaha n'amapompo yo kubafasha kugira ngo barwanye indwara z'uburondwe, tubaha n'ibyuma bibafasha guca inzara cyangwa se gukata amahembe, tubaha n'ibyuma bibasha gukona.
What is the quality of service delivered by the 50 trained veterinarians?
Twaje guhabwa amahugurwa tuyakorera ibutare yo gukora cesarienne, tuhabwa amahugurwa yo gukora kubaga mu buryo bworoshye nko gukona n'ibindi. Ibyo turabikamirika. Ibyo rero iyo tumaze kubibona bita aborozi nabo bahita babigiramo inyungu nyinshi. Aho tuboneye RDDP, buri murenge wo muri Nyagatare ufite firigo, ku buryo inkingo zawe uzakoresha mu mwaka w'imihigo iyo zigeze ku karere uraza ukaziyegereza ukazibika ku murenge.
Apart from public veterinarians, RDDP trained private veterinarians who serve as auxiliaries in sectors that are too large for one veterinary. The private veterinarians perform artificial insemination and treat some livestock diseases.
Kujya mu mahugurwa yo gutera intanga rero babidufashamo, tukora amahugurwa arangira neza nta kibazo. RDDP ntabwo yagarukiye ku mahugurwa gusa, yagerageje kuduha ibikoresho byo gukoresha muri ubwo butekinisiye bwo gutera intanga mu matungo. Baduhaye kit murayibona, ngira ngo iyi niyo tubikamo azote dutwaramo intanga tuvuye kuzifata kuri lab. Baduteyemo inkunga rero twatwishyuriraga 30%, RDDP gatera inkunga 70%. Aho baduhereye izi moto za boxer mureba byaramfashije cyane. Ubundi ubuvuzi bw'amatungo twabukoreshaga igare, umuntu akaguhamagara na kure cyangwa ari ku musozi runaka kugerayo bikatugora, ariko ubu ngubu aho mpamagariye ako kanya mba nkugezeho service zikagenda neza nta kibazo. Ubu turabikora neza kinyamwuga. Ndatekereza buri kwezi ntajya muri nka 30 ntera zirindishije, tukora n'icyo bita kurindisha. Muri rusange turashima RDDP yakoze neza cyane.
About 222 farmer promoters were trained in performance of basic livestock treatment. They are very helpful in their communities. Another 400 farmer promoters were trained in detection of aflatoxins in animal feed and antibiotic residues in milk.
Binabyo ibibaduhaye nanone twagiye mahugurwa yabyo. Aka kantu nagatanga umuti w'inzoka. Aka gakoresho ube ufite umuti hano mbafite litiro y'umuti. Hari naka gakoresho gapima umuriro, yisamometa. Iyi nayo barayitwigishije. Iki rero tugicisha inzara z'inka zabaye ndende, na ya mahembe y'utunyana dutoya ushyiramo ukaruma ka gahembe.
Also worth mentioning are the 55 spray reses that were installed to fight against ticks in areas targeted by the project.
Tutarabona spray resi, urareba aborozi bororera hani benshi bozaga bitandukanye bagatabura imiti mu buryo butandukanye, ariko aha byaradufashije cyane. Kuva tuyibonye ntabwo inka zikirwara cyane, dukemuriye ikibazo cyo guca indwara ziterwa n'uburondwe.
RDDP interventions also focused on the fight against mastitis. Efforts to improve animal nutrition and increase milk output would be wasted investments if milk quality is spoiled. Farmer promoters led by example.
nk'umufashamyumvire mukuru aha naciye akajagari k'abantu bagemura amata uko biboneye. Icya kabiri kujya mu mafamu ayo mata adapasa tukayashyira uruhande tukabwira umworozi ngo genda uvuze ikindi gikurikiraho ayo mata adapasa twaricazaga abo bantu bose tukabagira inama. Buri mushumba wese turamuhugura ku bijyanye no gukaraba no gukama. Ubu tuvugana nta mworozi n'umwe uriho ugemura amata tutashakaga.
Given the severity of mastitis, veterinary doctors from RIAF visit farms and conduct mastitis screening. Cases of mastitis are no longer being reported in their area of operation. Mastitis screening was conducted in 1,463 farms, and it revealed that cases of the disease were reduced by 99%.
Ndaza nkasura famu ku ifamu nkagenda muri famu bagakama nkasuzuma inka ku nka nkareba uko inka zihagaze, dusuzuma dukoresheje amata n'uno muti wa CMT n'agapado tugakameraho amata makeya tugashyiramo CMT tugahita tubona resulta. Nyuma iyo usanze nk'irwaye ugira inama umushumba biterwa n'uburyo irwayeho. Ikindi ndaza nkagera kuri MCC bakazana amata bagapima amata y'umworozi atapasinze nkamukurikirana aho yaba yororeye nkamukurikirana nkareba ikibazo kibitera kugira ngo amata yadapasinga ku ikusanyirizo.
Animal husbandry also involves breeding for genetic improvement. There is now progressive shift to artificial insemination from natural breeding, which sometimes contributes to the spread of livestock diseases.
Haguzwe mu rwego rwo kuvugurura icyorero haguzwe ibimasa bigera ku 10 aho tuvanamo intanga tukagabanya n'amafaranga menshi yajyaga mu mahanga tujya gutumiza intanga.
Huye district is now home to a recently constructed artificial insemination center. Artificial insemination is making a significant impact and thus deserves to be sustained. In the future, artificial insemination services will be more accessible through trained farmers. So far, 245,670 cows have been artificially inseminated, which represent 95% of the country's target.
Liquid nitrogen idufasha kuzabasha kubika za ntanga ndetse sino kuzibika gusa kuko za ntanga tuzikorera ari twebwe tuzikorera nk'ikigo lab. Iyi liquid nitrogen idufasha no kumubasha gukora za ntanga zo tuzakenera kuzatera muri ya matungo mu buryo bwo kuvugurura icyororo.
Kubereka ko iriya nyana n'ubundi ifite amezi 3 buriya nateje intanga nashatse kugira ngo nibura nzagere ku nka itanga umukamo byisumbuye ko kuri nyina.
Nteza intanga kugira ngo nzabone za nka zitanga umukamo ziri hejuru ku buryo nava kuri izo litiro 10 kaba nafata na litiro 20.
Uyifashe iriya nka ihagaze ukareba n'izindi yasanze aho ngaho arizo mbona ko nazo zari ku rwego narwo rwabasha gutanga umusaruro yubona ishobora kuzajya hejuru yazo.
No mu yindi mishinga yagenda iza no tuzagomeza kugenda dushyiramo imbaraga kugira ngo tugende tuhugura aborozi ndetse nihaboneka n'ubushobozi tugenda tubafasha mu bikoresho by'ibanze bitoye byafasha gutuma batanga serivisi bakaziha bagenzi babo.
Animal husbandry is very crucial. If it is properly done, milk production increases significantly.